Good morning, rock stars. Mr. Baker wants to do a science experiment with you guys today. And we're going to do a science experiment that is real easy because it only takes about 4 things to do it. And it's all things that you probably have in your house already. You're going to need a glass filled full of water. You're going to need some oil of some kind, vegetable oil, probably work the best. Some food coloring. If you don't have food coloring, not that big a deal, but it kind of makes it cooler. And some good old table salt. Okay? Those are the only things that you're going to need to do our science experiment. So collect those things and watch the rest of the video. All right, so I'm going to assume that you guys have all of the things that you're going to need for the experiment. So I'm going to take my glass, I'm going to go over here to the sink, and I'm going to fill it full of water. Doesn't matter whether it's hot or cold, doesn't matter at all, okay? And what I'm going to do, get it where you can see the whole thing a little bit better, is the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some food coloring in there, and I'm going to use this knife to kind of stir it up a little bit, just make the process go a little faster. And then I'm going to pour the oil in. Really doesn't matter how much oil you use. I wouldn't use too much. No, a little dab will do you. Like that, okay? And you can kind of see when I poured the oil in that it shot back up to the top. The reason that shot back up to the top is that oil and water don't like each other very much. It's called hydrophobic. Hydro meaning water, phobic meaning fear of. So I guess you could say oil has a fear of water, and so it wants to separate from it as quickly as possible. But I don't want it to be afraid, so I am going to try and get oil and water to mix. And the way to do that is to pour our good old friend table salt in, and you're going to want to use a lot. And when you pour it in, you can kind of see that it is pushing that oil down to the bottom, and as it comes back up, it kind of, as the salt dissolves off of the oil, it's pushing itself back up because it wants to separate and continue to separate. It's almost like making a lava lamp. If you guys have ever seen a lava lamp, it's kind of cool. You guys can keep pouring salt on, and it'll keep separating. And if you have Alka-Seltzer, if your parents have Alka-Seltzer, then you could put an Alka-Seltzer tablet in there. Mr. Baker does not have any Alka-Seltzer, and I wasn't going to run to Walmart to get just Alka-Seltzer because we're supposed to be social distancing. And so if you put an Alka-Seltzer tablet in there, though, it'll kind of really fizz things up a little bit and really make it look more like a lava lamp. So, but you can sit there and watch this for quite a while because that salt, we put quite a bit of salt in, and so that's sitting down here on the bottom, and you'll see it floating up here to the top as it dissolves. So that's our science experiment today. Guys, I want you to do this, and I want you to send me your videos, okay? I want you to post them on our Facebook page, or you can email them to me, and I'll post them on the Facebook page, but I want everybody to try this because I think science is fun, and I know you do too. Hey, have a great day, rock stars. Bye-bye.